Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to register and create an account on STC Pay. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we first want to do is go to our Player App Store, and then we need to do a search for STC Pay and hit enter. From here, go ahead and download STC Pay. Time of recording, it's got over 10 million downloads and 150,000 reviews. So go ahead and click on the blue install button. That's going to download it and install it onto your device. Once it's finished, we want to go ahead and open it up. So I'm just going to pause this video. All right, I'm going to click open. From here, you're going to come to this page. I'm just going to go ahead and click skip here, and it will say let's get started. So enter your phone number, national ID, and date of birth. So we need to put in our phone number, national ID, and also date of birth here. And then after you put on, then click continue. Then after that, you will receive a one-time password, and then go ahead and put in that one-time password to verify your number. Then from there, you need to provide your personal information. So fill in your full name, email address, and national ID number, and set a secure password. Then from there, we need to verify your identity. So upload a clear photo of your national ID, take a selfie for facial recognition verification. Then from there, you need to log into your Absha account through the app to confirm your identity. This step ensures compliance with Saudi Arabia's digital identity regulations. And then after successful verification, your STC Pay account will be activated. From there, you can now add funds, make payments, and utilize other features.